Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video of cold starting the pieces of equipment that are still running for the winter. I have the 2002 Echo SRMG10, the 1997 MTD by Yard Machine snowblower, and the 2013 Stihl BG55. So, oops, yeah, I just filled that up. So first we're going to start with the BG55, then the SRMG10, and then the snowblower. So I'm going to move you right here. So what you want to do first is you want to turn it on, put it on choke, and we'll prime it 5 times. This was last running 2 days ago when I did the snow blowing video. I mean the blowing the snow video with it. So here we go. Oh man, it's cold outside. All right. Sweet. 2 pulls, nice. Alright, SRM210. Last started when I did the video of starting it up for the spring, which was January 31st. So it's been about a week, 8 days, I guess. So we'll turn it on, put it on choke, prime it 5 times. Alright, set you down again on the snowblower. So here we go. Sweet. Oh, goodness. Alright, that one's going. Time for the snowblower. So I'm going to be making a video of this in 2 days because we're supposed to get about a foot of snow, so I'm going to be using this. So we'll see how it is. This is the first start in about almost a month. So we'll put it at low throttle, choke it, prime it 10 times. Alright, here we go. See how well it does. Almost. Oh, I didn't shut it off. Whoops. Hang on, let's see if it'll go again. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's up. Here we go. Okay, what's going on here? without any choke. Alright guys. Alright, so that's been a cold start of the pieces of equipment that are still running for the winter. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see ya. Bye.